Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. You're the guard's problem solver with a welder. When parts break or metal fails, you don't just order replacements, you make them. Cut it, weld it, shape it, build it from scratch if you have to. As a 91 Echo, you're trained on everything from oxyacetylene welding to hydraulic press ops. You'll fabricate parts from raw stock, repair the broken stuff, and even design custom fixes out of metal, plastic, or composite, all from a tactical machine shop. 19 weeks of training at Fort Gregg Adams gets you fluent in lathes, grinders, drill presses, and the art of making broken gear mission-ready again. This isn't basic mechanic work. This is engineering under pressure for the ones who solve mechanical chaos with fire and precision, fix it, forge it, send it. You'll work on everything from busted vehicle armor to sheared bolts, cracked mounts, and we need this thing by tomorrow nightmares that show up mid-field op. You're not just a fabricator, you're the reason the mission doesn't stall, waiting on parts that won't arrive for weeks. You'll turn a broken bracket into a field-ready solution or forge a missing link from nothing but scrap and skill. And while most people see sparks and backup, you see sparks and dial in the angle. And on the civilian job side, machine shops, custom fabrication, welding, metalworking, you're already certified and trained on tools most people don't even know how to plug in. That's one MOS explainer vid down, many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.